Come and take a trip with us at clock through crazes of hell. The downer of death is over tonight, so beware of the clientele. Better grab your plasma cutter. Gonna slice two limbs like a playthrough, but I better grab your plasma cutter. You know why? We're making necromorph soup. Necromorph soup. It's a very simple recipe. Just giblets, guts, and goop. We're making necromorph soup. Necromorph soup. Murder's on the menu. Come and grab yourself a scoop. Yeah. Feeding and a bleeding and a druid's gun. Stuck to the porridge yard. Running and a stabbing and a screaming death. They paint the walls with gore. Better grab your plasma cutter. Gonna slice two limbs like a playthrough, but I better grab your plasma cutter. You know why? We're making necromorph soup. Necromorph soup. It's a very simple recipe. Just giblets, guts, and goop. We're making necromorph soup. Necromorph soup. Murder's on the menu. Come and grab yourself a scoop. Yeah. And it's all over the walls. And it's all over the floor. Your appetite's kinda fading away. I'm not so hungry anymore. We're making necromorph soup. Necromorph soup. It's a very simple recipe. Just giblets, guts, and goop. We're making necromorph soup. Necromorph soup. Murder's on the menu. Come and grab yourself a scoop. We making necromorph soup. Necromorph soup. It's a
Something else.
Oh,
What are the tracks? Oh, how about there, right? That's probably what somebody's gonna say.
something else.
Oh, wait, no. Now it's loud.
Oh, what are the tracks?
Oh, wait, I have
how
to mute
about-
it. Okay, how about, can you still hear me? And is there an echo? It's interesting, the lag. Yay! Awesome. Monitoring? No. Oh, I mean, I switched it, like, in here, you can switch it to this shit, but, like, these should all be the same. Well, and I guess that's the mic. No, there's not one doing that. So, yeah, that might not work. I don't know, but this is definitely the webcam, it should. And, I mean, you can hear me. Sampler it on his side. Down next to mono. Oh, okay. Ooh. Oh, well, that's because I muted it. Oh, well, now that's
Down next to mono.
That's next one down.
oh, like that. Oh, but then I should do this. I don't know what anything is, though. Do I look like I know what I'm doing? Wait, can I? Okay, there. Dude, this, no, I can't. Wait. Okay, yeah, this will work. Oh, well, monitor off. No, yeah, okay. So, yes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. I can still hear myself. Okay. Now, dude, I give up, Adilio. That's definitely you. Oh, we're just gonna pretend that's you. Oh, wait, no, I can still hear myself. God damn it.
Hello, W. Smelton. Just helping Charlie get his stream started.
Want to see some objectives too? We could refamiliarize ourselves with where the hell I was a month ago. Okay, so what am I doing?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, grab that out.
So let's go. Like,
Oh, yeah,
station.
that's in the other app, not the library.
Sure, let's pick EDM. I don't get what this thing is doing as soon as I turn it on. There we go. As soon as I like start Pretzel playing, it like mutes my other browsers for some random reason. That should be over there. That's done. I still have a little bit of water. I'm gonna fill that up. This should be over there too. Pro streamer right here. I'll turn that down a little bit. Or a lot, I don't know. Okay. So we got issue 15. I opened this today. Now, yeah, now you do have to choose. So as at work, I used the module to create a phone, and it worked. But it didn't set a description, it didn't set a colon search space. So I had to go in and do some manual modifications. So I jotted those down and said, well, we need these because ain't nobody got time for that. Plus, like, if this is to be better than what we currently have, it needs to include at least everything that our templates do, which calling search space is one of those things. So we're gonna move that over here. Actually, I don't know what we're gonna do with that right now. So add phone, lots of mandatory parameters. Protocols, mandatory, okay, Axel. So string. So we're gonna do like that. And we're gonna do another string. Calling search space. And finally a going to be owner ID. So the owner ID is really just a minor after the fact. But, now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to reload Visual Studio Code. Oh, I have to wait. No, I don't want to. I want this code to update. And then launch. Also, let me know how the font size is. I bumped it down from 24 down to 14 the other day, so I just want to make sure it's still readable and whatnot. So, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the soap. Request one. Could be a bit bigger, okay. There it is, right in front of my face. I just found that 24 was way too big, especially when I wasn't streaming, because like everything would be pushed right off the edge of the screen. Like even this would be like way over here, and it just wasn't functional. But I upped it to 18. What? Sophia? Okay. So 18 is okay. 18 is probably better for my old eyes and whatnot. Anyways. So, what we're gonna do is... I could. You know, 6 months ago? Was it 6 months ago? November 1st, I think, was the cutoff for proposals for PowerShell Summit, and I kept flip-flopping back and forth about what could I present and should I present, and I was thinking of presenting like the work that I'd been doing on the Command Explorer, but I didn't feel good like that I could do it. There are other reasons why it's probably best that I didn't. But now, like with what I've accomplished with this, maybe for next year. So I'm gonna search for calling. So what I need to see then is oh no. Oh, apparently. So I was talking with a coworker before I left work tonight, and he was working on a thing. He was just writing host, and he's like, I need to figure out how to do it as an object. And I said, well, like, you do it as a hash table. So we did it as a hash table, then we export to CSV, and it just comes out as garbage. Like, it's, well, not garbage, but it doesn't work in a CSV. And I knew I had found this, but it turns out now all you do is, so you have your hash table, and you just put PS custom object in front of it, and boom, it's now an object. So he did that, and then he exported, and no, look, now it's all done properly. So I don't actually need that anymore. Oh, so you didn't know that either. So, let's pick this one. And you know what? Properties. Buffer size, number of buffers, font. Okay. So we have hash table equals stream equals awesome. Someone told me it's an awesome stream and I should be on the list of awesome streams. So we have our hash table and we get member, it's system collections hash table. Now we take our hash table and we say object equals boom, it's an object. Same goes for like this. By the way, I've got children behind me. Because they like to think that I didn't know they were doing that.
I licked you.
Yes, you did. That means it's bedtime. No, it's not bedtime.
Hey, Daddy! What's your favorite Harry Potter house? If it's Slytherin, then you should know that. I quiz it. Daddy's a Bob. Gryffindor! He said Gryffindor!
Okay. Oh my
He answered! He answered!
Okay.
He knows what Harry Potter is.
Calm down. There are many people who know what Harry Potter is.
I don't.
Okay.
Okay, I do.
Then it's bedtime.
Okay.
Okay?
Just a little.
That's fine. So you have 20 minutes or you can go to bed right now.
No, it isn't Starbucks.
One,
Right, okay. Finish!
2.
Daddy doesn't have a mic now.
So what we do is we're just going to call this table. So the other way around this is just PS. Like, that saves me so much trouble. Like, I used to do, like, these, like, I don't even know what I did. To be honest, it was something I found, and it was probably, like, it's from, like, a PowerShell 2 thing. But, like, I gotta well, like, I knew about PS custom objects. It's just creating them was such a pain. Like, it was, trying to think where I might have a sample of it. Ah, you got me. No. are you doing? Hey, you girls can go upstairs for 15 minutes, watch a show or something, or you can go to bed.
That's my coding, Daddy.
I'm trying. Now, of course, my coworker found it on Kevin Marquette's blog. And I don't even remember how we were doing it. Anyways, getting back to this. Phone by DN1011. I have also figured out that this username is case insensitive. So whatever's not on Kevmar's blog is on PS Cookie Monster or Joel or Thomas's blog. These are things I'm learning. Adam Bertram also has a lot of stuff on it, actually all over the place, like on his blog, in all these like random articles for Ipswich and a bunch of other places. But yeah. Okay, so now I have a dot. No, it's a. So one of these is called like. No. So calling search space name. Oh, so it is calling search space name probably. Hey, I read Adam's blog on stress. It sounds like for TechSnips they're looking at like diversifying and doing courses as well, although not offering the courses on TechSnips. So calling search space name, I think, is what I want. Why can these tools not figure out that if I'm searching for something, I just want to search the whole document? So I think what it means they're doing is like, so they're doing videos, and then instead of putting out all these bite-sized videos on TechSnips, they're rolling them together into a course length, or like a course, and giving them to Udemy or these companies that provide training. Is what I read into it, and so calling search space name, we can give it. So calling search space name just needs to match. Calling search space. Name equals calling search space. Does F2 not do it? Was Control F2. Did that change it up here? Perfect. Owner. So the owner ID might not be a one, which I think is okay. So owner ID is currently optional. Calling search space name description. Person. So, what we're gonna do is we will F5 this file. And then we will F5 this file. And then we will I need to find a calling search space name though. Yeah, so the clipboard history, that's with what, Windows key V? Oh, good. I thought I didn't have it turned on. Because the one I use is Ditto. Yeah. So it's set up to a hotkey, and it gives you, and then you can like search through it, and you can edit it. Go in and edit and whatnot. So, calling search space name, we're gonna go and look at this one. 10.10.20.1 administrator. This is ditto-cp is where you will find it. It's where you'll find it on GitHub. I think it's on there. It's also in the Windows Store, so you can get it from there. Fix my unbalanced white spacing. Some children's mothers, I tell you. So, description, device pool is default. We said calling search space. We don't even have a calling search space. Well, that's going to be a problem. Call routing, class of control, calling search space. Aha, I remembered. I'm not even gonna. I don't need to create one, do I? Add new. Bob's your uncle. And we're just gonna add everything. This is basically just they can call everyone because we don't really care. calling search space, logs, uncle. Description. What description? Go. We're going to take out the output. Administrator. Oh, don't go too fast. I learned. Bugger. Here we go. Do not step too fast through the debugger, otherwise you'll have a bad time. Realized as soon as I was getting there. Alright. Have a good one. So that was Invoke. Headphone. My stream is crashing. I don't believe you. Is unstable. Poor network connection detected. That's no good.
What is up, the world?
Go like this. Can't. Log in with Twitch. We'll fix now. That's good. Oh, that's what it wants. Okay, well, Switch inspector still says it's unstable, but we'll give it a try. Oh, there we go. Wait. Oh, 57. Or 157. Yeah, so it's saying it's stable again. Dashboard saying it is excellent. Perfect. So, we didn't run this one. There we go. We'll run this one. Go F11. Administrator. Stepping slower.
My father told me when I was young, don't play with fire, be careful, son. But we were flames and fell in love. We burned the city's down.
So that says it was done.
You won't be lonely if you fall in love over and over again.
What description? Bob's your uncle's search space. So can we add a directory number? Then we get into the sort of fun of go up here. We'll go through. So we got add phone. Got get phone. Do we have a set phone? Update. We update line. So update phone. We need to give it a name or a UUID. We can do that. Optional is a new name, a description, calling search space, device pool. Line identifier, we have a directory number and a row partition. So add phone. We're gonna paste it there. We're gonna F2 that. We're gonna call it update phone. Is update allowed? I don't think update is allowed. Update is allowed. Although I imagine PowerShell world we'd probably actually be wanting to set phone. So we're gonna call it set phone. Set phone. So my concern with set phone is go like this. Common device, common phone, network location. There's remove lines. Ah. Okay, so go like this. We say we want authorization is basic. It's administrator. Oh, well, that's not gonna work. Device pool is required for this device. Right, so the device pool name is required. So we can't just leave it empty. But we can leave it off. And now it says that we've updated the phone. Now if we come here, we're probably going to have no description and no calling search space. Okay, so we still have a calling search space, but we do not have a description. Okay, so calling search space is nullable, or whatever. So this is going to be update phone. Where is my phone? There it is. Razor Romance, thank you for that post. How was it overcooked tonight? Also, why did I get an overlay but no sound? Oh, I have an idea of why I got an overlay with no sound. It might have been that it came through fine on the stream, but I just can't hear it. Oh, I can barely hear it in my headphones. I don't know what Pretzel Rocks does, but it seems to like really mess with the volumes. I caught a bit of overcooked last night. So something about like being on two separate islands and like throwing half-cooked food back and forth at each other. And of course now I kind of feel bad because I need to go in about 10 minutes, but I got 10 minutes left. 3-starred the whole game. Jeez. I always start out games trying to 3-star everything. I'm assuming 3 stars is as many as you can get on each level. I always try, and then some of them I just get so frustrated. I'm like, you know what? 1 star is good enough. Carrying on. Gotta take your car in. You have to take your car in for. And stream tells me I don't finish game. Like this. Is this a phone? Just for service so we don't void our warranty? See, I've heard a bunch of different stories about, oh, it doesn't void the warranty, and then I've also heard that, oh yes it does, and my go-to is always you know what, it doesn't hurt to get the service done, and if it helps ensure that you're not going to have a hassle, then you might as well get it done. It's taken off there. Yeah, I usually, for me, whenever I get work done, I drop it off first thing in the morning, and then I'll usually get them to yeah. Kids get up at 6. My kids at least the youngest is 7 tomorrow, and then 10 and 11, they typically sleep in until I wake them up at 7 or 7:30. So, if null's not equal to, then we want CUCM axle splat. Update phone description. Oh, that wasn't it. That one. 3 on the 8th. They grow up fast, don't they? I remember when she was 3. Vaguely. No, it's not equal to description. Calling search space name we're okay with. But we also want to add, you know what, I'm going to leave that off. Device pool name. Nice. My my oldest, every time she goes to my parents or something, she lets them know just how much further in the Harry Potter series she's at, exactly what page and chapter. parameters dot update phone dot device pool name equals that. So what this should do dot, no, I'll leave that off for now. Description. The enormous book is our first check. Okay. I don't know that I've heard of that book, but dinosaur hatching from chicken's egg. Well, dinosaurs are just tiny little, or chickens are just tiny dinosaurs, so I mean that makes perfect sense. Product is not required. Oh, well yes, product's required when you run the wrong freaking command. Womp womp. Five. You know what? I can just F5 that. Or not F5 that. Error. No UUID or element found. Okay. I mean, that seems reasonable. Doesn't like the way I'm exiting over there. I find they typically, well, until a certain point, they like when other people read to them, and then not so much. A part of F5. Okay, F11 works. I wonder if it doesn't like description here or something. So stop that. Unbreakpoint that. We'll hit F5. There we go. Copy and paste that. Here. Paste that in there. And then we'll Alt-Enter. No UUID or name element found. Well, that's not good. Why is it generating that? F9, F5. F11, A. So, we have description. Why is device pool name empty? Well, I guess I can check for empty. Device pool name is empty string. The description, there we go. So let's try that. But it's still not gonna like. It's still gonna complain about something. I just know it. We can't complain about name. Maybe description. We'll find out. Update phone. Oh, I see what's going on. I can take that out completely because reasons. Shift F. So we take that part out and that part out. We save it. We F5 that. We F5 that. Actually, F5 that. That like that. F5 that. And we're done. Turn off F9, we hit F5. I didn't stop that. There we go. And then if we come over here, we should now have a description. My description here or something. Aha! And with that, I'm gonna call it a night. Because I was told I need to go do some stuff and get ready for tomorrow and such. So take a look at who is currently streaming. Kind of go from there. And not really seeing anyone per se. Have a good night. Here's romance. I'm just gonna stop the stream, let it auto host or something like that.